everyone, welcome to TaiyangNews. We are at Intersolar Europe 2026 and I'm at the booth of Dunext, which is a CNI energy storage solutions provider from China. And I have with me Kexin Mao, who is going to tell us about their new launch at Intersolar. Welcome to TaiyangNews, Kexin.
Hi. Hello everyone, nice to meet you all. Here is Kexin Mao. I'm coming from Dunext. I'm the solution manager in this company and based in Netherlands, support the European market. So today, very glad to introduce you about our company and also our new launch product. So firstly, Dunext, who are we? We are like an expert in the CNI energy storage market. We're coming from China and we carry the decades of expertise in this segment and also like over 3 gigawatt hours production capacity. So right now we are covering several European markets and support over 100 CNI owners to reach their business case success. So this time, we are very happy to bring this new product, PowerHill 261 kilowatt hour, to launch in this Intersolar. So for these cabinets, we have a 125 kilowatt PCS integrated and also 261 kilowatt hours of the battery. It's an all-in-one solution. And it's based on liquid cooling system. What makes it different is like this liquid cooling unit. We have a automatically refill tank inside of it to make it easy for the maintenance. And also all the coolant inside of the system is very high efficient. It can support 10 years, no replacement. So that's why we make this product different from others and we want our customer to be easy, to be friendly and also operate it very cost efficient. So this product can support up to 10 units stand in parallel for the on-grid application. And if you need on and off-grid switching, you can also have this PCC cabinet. So this is actually an SGS integrated into it. And with this PCC, it can support up to 3 units and also within 20 milliseconds on and off-grid switching, which is very good for those scenarios that you need to always power your critical loads. And also for the on-grid scenario, I know that for different owners, different customers, you may have a different business case and use case. So that's why we also have our own developed EMS. This is the hardware, and we also build a cloud-based platform, which named Duolink based on it. So with this EMS, you can do different strategy on your side. For example, the self-consumption, the peak shaving, or you combine them together. And for this time, we also launched the new feature, which is the dynamic tariff. This will help you to reach the highest revenue for your sites and also protect your whole site's power to be safely and stable. And lastly, we also would like to introduce a little bit on the software. We are also launching some new AI-powered features which help you to easily commissioning. You just use your smartphone and follow the 5 steps, and all the commissioning can be done within 5 minutes. And during your operation, our platform will also help you to automatically diagnose some alarms and help you to analyze what's the reason behind it and also recommend some actions how to fix it. So with all this hardware and software, with all these solutions, we believe that they will help you to save your energy cost and also to be stable, powered by the green energy. So this new product, PowerHill 261, now is available for the European market. I'm based in Netherlands and we also have a local team in Benelux market, in Italy, Romania, Bulgaria, Austria, and so on ongoing. So just contact us and we will share more detail with you about our product.